Preamble. The basic structure of the Constitution of India contained in Preamble. The legal sovereignty in India reside in the Constitution itself and not the we the people of India. The ideology expressed in Case 1 and Bharati case. Consider the following objectives stated in the preamble of the Constitution: justice, social, economic, and the political, liberty of thought, expression, and belief, equality of status and opportunity, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual. The preamble was amended by the amendment by which amendment? 42nd Amendment. The preamble is a part of basic structure in which case was held. Case 1 and Bharti case. The preamble is a part of Constitution, yes. The preamble of our Constitution proclaims ourselves to a sovereign republic, in whom does the sovereignty vest? People of India. Preamble of the Constitution declared India as a sovereignty socialist secular democratic republic, by which amendment the words secular and socialistic were included in the preamble. 42nd Amendment. The preamble is a part of the Constitution. This observation of Supreme Court was held in the Keshwan and Bharati case. The preamble of the Constitution was amended and the word sovereign socialistic secular democratic republic were substituted for sovereign democratic republic with 42nd Amendment 3/1/1997. The preamble of the Constitution of India, the word socialist was incorporated in the preamble of 42nd Amendment with effect from 3rd January 1997. The words socialistic and secular were added to the preamble of the Constitution, 42nd Amendment 1976. The text of the preamble in the Constitution aimed to secure dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. State which one of the following statement is correct. Preamble is a part of Constitution that relate to the basic structure. The word socialist and secular were inserted in the preamble of Indian Constitution by 42nd Amendment of the Constitution. The Indian Constitution is dedicated to the people of India. The word secular is used in the preamble of the Constitution means the state has no religion of its own, all religions are treated equally. In Re Bedubadi and Exchange Enclaves of Supreme Court held that preamble is not a part of the Constitution. The words socialist and secular were inserted in the preamble through the amendment 42nd Amendment. The Indian Constitution has borrowed the idea of preamble from Constitution of USA. The words socialist, secular, unity and integrity of nation were made to our Constitution by 42nd Amendment of the Constitution. The solemn resolution of the preamble of our Constitution is made in the name of the people of India. By the 42nd Amendment 1976, the following word has been added to the preamble of Constitution of India: socialist, secular, integrity. In the case there is a conflict between preamble and other provision of the Constitution, which one is prevail than other? Other provisions will prevail. The term economic justice in the preamble of the Constitution of India is a resolution for equal distribution of wealth. Which one of the following is correct about the preamble of Constitution of India? It was adopted after the adoption operative of article of Constitution. In the preamble of Constitution, the word socialist was added by section 2nd of 42nd Amendment Act. In the case of Golaknath versus State of Punjab, it was remarked that our preamble contained In nutshell, its idea and inspiration. Justice Subhara. In which one of the following case the Supreme Court held that preamble is not a part of the Constitution? Bidubadi case. The preamble of the Constitution, the people of India have resolved the Constitution into sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. The sovereignty under the Constitution belongs to the people. The preamble of the Constitution of India include all the following except adult franchise. Which one of the following cases upheld the secularism as a basic feature of the Constitution even before the word secular was inserted in the preamble? Case 1 and Bharati vs. State of Kerala. From the Constitution of which of the following foreign country the idea of preamble was borrowed by the Indian Constitution? United States of America. Write the correct order of the word used in the preamble of the Constitution. Sovereign, Socialist, Secular, Democratic, Republic. How many times the preamble of Constitution has been amended so far? Once. Which one of the following liberties of the preamble of Constitution does not guarantee the liberty of practice of religion? Interpretative value of preamble was discussed in the case of Bidubadi Union. The three types of justice referred in the preamble of Constitution are economic, political, and social. Which one of the following statement is correct? Preamble is a part of the Constitution and can be amended only if no change in the basic structure is made. The preamble of Indian Constitution aimed to secure dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. Which one of the following expression mentioned in the preamble to the Indian Constitution is correct? Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Which one of the following expression mentioned in the preamble to the Indian Constitution is correct? Fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity integrity of the nation. Which one of the following cases did Supreme Court hold that preamble of the Constitution is a basic part of the structure? Is a part of the basic structure. S.R. Bommai versus Union of India. Which among the following word appeared first in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Justice. In which of the case Supreme Court gave a ruling that preamble was a part of the Constitution? Case 1 and Bharati case. The preamble of the Constitution of India first amended by Constitution 42nd Amendment 1976. The words secular and socialistic were added in the Indian Constitution in 1975 by amending the preamble. Legal sovereignty in India resides in the Constitution itself and not we the people of India. The ideology was expressed by Case 1 and Bharati case. The solemn resolution in the preamble of our Constitution is made in the name of people of India. In which one of the following cases the Supreme Court held that the preamble is a part of the Constitution? Case 1 and Bharati case. Justice, social, economic, and political. Liberty of thought, expression, and belief. Equality of status and opportunity. Fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual. Which one of the following statutes has no preamble? Government of India Act 1935. Considering the statement, the preamble of the Constitution of India can be amended by the Parliament up to any extent barring the basic feature. The preamble of Indian Constitution declared the resolve the people of India to secure to all its citizens liberty of belief, faith and worship. The preamble of the Constitution of India secured justice, liberty, equality and fraternity to all citizens. In Tinsukia Electric Company versus State of Assam, Supreme Court pointed out that the term socialist used in the preamble to the Constitution of India means the state whose basic policy to prohibit concentration of wealth and uplift the standard of people. Preamble of the Constitution of India include the source from which the Constitution derive its authority. Preamble of India is part of the Constitution and can be used in interpreting other provision of the Constitution in case of ambiguity. A part of the preamble of the Constitution reads as we, the people of India, have been solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Certain words in the above part inserted by the Constitution 42nd Amendment 1976. The preamble of our Constitution is extremely important and the Constitution should be read and interpreted in the light of the grand and novel vision expressed in the preamble. Justice Sikri expressed the above opinion in the case of Kesavan and Bharti versus State of Kerala.